Welcome back to It's Cooking Good. Tonight I've got a really quick one for you. We're doing Bavette steak. All I've done with it is I've put a little bit of crushed garlic, some thyme, olive oil and pepper. That is it. You go to a local pub, you're going to pay 25 quid for a 250 gram piece of this. I've got 1.5 kilos, which I've paid £18 for. It's going to feed a family of at least 4 or 5. Let's get it on the grill. We're going to put it on the green egg. It's a beast, look at it. Like that. And we're going to cook that probably for about 10 minutes. Flip it at 5 minutes on an internal temperature of 50 to 55 C. See you in a minute. 10 minutes, homemade garlic parsley butter. Spread it over the top and we're going to cover it with foil, let it rest for 10 minutes. We're done. Let's cut into it. We're going to cut straight down the middle. Have a look. You got that nice medium rare. Look at that. Amazing. We're going to cut off a bit. Almost the rarer the better on this. Cut a piece like that. I'm going to be first to try it, of course. Amazing. Really good. Tender, succulent. Remember, as Big Green Eggs say, if you're looking, you ain't cooking. But here, it's cooking good.